Here we are, good morning. Beautiful day today. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning, 7:30 in the morning. And we're going to do the water tower. And the test today is for the shutter or drop frame. Video. It should go. There we go. Let's see if it's any better. Bring it down a bit. There we go. Go around. We're still up at 35%. And that should. There it is. It should give me a good idea. There we go. The whole test is whether there's any shutter as it turns. Okay. Should be long enough. Okay, well, that's far enough. See what happens with the video. We're going to do a return to home. Return to home.